Today we're checking out and testing water washable ABS like Resin 3.0 Smoky Black from ANYCUBIC. I have bought this myself for this video. So first of all, I had a couple of projects in mind. I was going to do some black ice looking stuff. So this is where you have a weapon that looks like it's actually made of ice. So this was a great example. I did one for this. I also did a mini desert eagle. So this was a good test of what it would look like. Now, the takeaway initially is it just looks blue. Like that is the kind of reality of it. If you have something where it's going from a thickness to a thinness, then you can get that smoky black appearance. However, if you just have yourself an actual simply like a piece like this, where it just has an overall consistent thickness without much variation, you really don't get that smoky black kind of feel. Instead, it just looks like blue. And especially once you add a clear coat to this, it looks very blue and you don't get that smoky kind of appearance at all. I think the marketing material for this just doesn't really match up to what you get in reality when you print with it. And then also, unlike other transparent resins, this one does get completely opaque once you get too thick. So there are a couple of pieces here for this mini Desert Eagle I made, and I made them not hollow. But after printing them, I was like, oh yeah, I should have totally made them hollow because as you can see, they're almost completely opaque to the naked eye unless you have some sort of light and strong light shining through them. So yeah, this is not great because this resin, if it was to be smoky, you'd have to have 3D prints that are going from thick to thin. And even then, you can see some of my thinner parts here that I've worked with. You don't get that clean. So I think this is more of just a translucent blue. And it really does not manage to achieve the smoky element in the name. And unfortunately, I think that means I'm probably not going to buy this stuff again. It's not bad. Print's great. Looks quite good. But at the end of the day, it's not really what it's advertised to be. Or at least that's my opinion at the end of this video. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.